Audio Jungle. Thank you, sir. I request the Controller of Examinations, Dr. P.V. Kumaraguru, to kind. Thank you, sir. I now request our respected General Secretary and Correspondent, Mr. Manjit Singh Nair, to kind. Thank you, sirs.
Priyadarshini with the gold medal. Rupala with the silver medal. BSc Advanced Zoology. Madheshwaran with gold medal. Kartika with the silver medal. BCom General Soundarya with the gold medal. Shanmuga Priya with the silver medal. Nikita with the bronze medal. BCom Corporate Secretary, Vimal Kumar with the gold medal. Guhan Nathan with the silver medal. And Vigneshwar Raja with the bronze medal. Thank you.
Charumadi D. Deenadayalan. Charumadi. Deenadayalan N. Kohila K. Prabhavati. Chaundarya S. Sudhir M. Ajit Kumar P. Agalya S. Arun K. Pakilakshmi Brinda L. Dana Mahalakshmi Divya Priya Khaja Muhyiddin Gayatri Kamalada
MSc Chemistry, Pawan Priya S, Gold Medalist. MCom General, Saudamani, Gold Medal. Dhanalakshmi with the silver medal. BA Economics, Vishnu Priya, gold medalist. Saranya with the silver medal. Kumari Shivani with the bronze medal.
You to the graduate to become a qualified person so that you can serve the society. Whatever the discipline or whatever the specialization you have earned, first of all, the humanity, the human value should be there. And for that, the true civilization, true citizenship should be incorporated in the mind of the young graduates. I'm sure the college has done it. And one way, this is a Thanksgiving Day for the young graduates to thank. That's why all of you have come. The next Thanksgiving to your parents who have put all their days and nights and their efforts and their yearnings, the love and care, so that they can help you to mold you so that you can bring yourself to this status. So this is another way of Thanksgiving Day. And it is a day of more responsibility where you can show that, yes, I'm successful. I have a lot of duties to do to serve the country like this. Usually for this graduation day, I don't prepare anything. It is just like an extempore. And truly speaking, I didn't have time even to think of. But seeing the achievements of this college, really, I feel proud that it is one of the best colleges in the university because not many colleges could do that, especially in the arts and science. And they have done wonderful programs like the skill development, because the skill development is very essential today. Whatever you study, it is only just bookish. But once you enter a profession, whether it is a banking or whether it is you are working in other type of service sectors, or maybe in today's digital world, lot of net-based here. Maybe on many reasons, but one main reason is this college is known for charity. Its service to the humanity. What Guru Nanak Ji said, universal brotherhood is the religion, and it is serving to the core. Because I have seen through the media, when there was a 2015, there was a flood, big flood. Chennai was floating, and the team headed by Mr. Manjit Singh and other faculty members and this groups of this city has done wonderful volunteership and service. Perhaps sometimes the government followed them afterwards. So this is one of the reasons why I immediately accepted. As Professor Raghunathan said, there were many colleges were approaching me to chair many functions. Because of my hectic schedule, I said it can be done later. As he said, I was in my hometown for the Mahashivratri. As I was introduced, I am from a small hamlet. Most of you may not know the city, guys, boys and girls may not know. It is a small hamlet called Kalayar Koil. From there, it's a small village, Samarovar Mangalam, our family temple. And we do also charity, not a very big level like you, but to our capacity, small level. And I was there for the Mahashivratri. And I asked my PS secretary whether the convocation has been in the confirmed. Otherwise, I can extend my stay there. Then immediately, Mr. Raghunathan sent the photocopy of this, copy of the image of the invitation. Sir, it has been already confirmed. Our graduates are really waiting for you. Please, you should be there. Then I arrived at yesterday.
He was the resource person of the day. And what next? National Symposium on India-China Strategic Relations, Divergence and Convergence. Chief guest was Lieutenant General Upsani SM, BSM, General Officer Commanding Headquarters, Dakshin Bharat. This was held on 5th February 2020 by Department of BCom Honors. A national seminar on science and technology rural development was organized by Department of Advanced Zoology and Biotechnology and with the Association of Indian Science Congress Association. Chief guests were Dr. Vijay Lakshmi Saxena and Dr. Ashok Kumar Saxena and many other dignitaries adorned the dais. Workshop on application of statistics using Excel and SPSS for data analysis in research. This was again organized by the Guru Nanak Center for Research, and the chief guest was Dr. K. Marimuthu, Department of Biotechnology, Faculty of Applied Sciences, AIMS University, Malaysia. Awards and appreciation. Guru Nanak College has received much award. To mention few, General Secretary and Correspondent of Mr. Manjit Singh Nayyar has received a special award from Chennai City Police for his outstanding contribution and dedicated service during the COVID-19 pandemic. The General Secretary and Correspondent, Mr. Manjit Singh Nayyar, has received a certificate of appreciation from OISCA International Japan for his constant support and ideas. And these are some of the awards received by the Principal of Guru Nanak College. Next slide. And last year we celebrated 550th birth anniversary of Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji. The celebration went on well, excellently. And we conducted, Guru Nanak College organized free medical mega camp. It was inaugurated by the Honorable Minister Thiru K. Sengotten, Government of Tamil Nadu. 11 hospitals with specialties including gynecology, ophthalmology, etc., etc. People from 18 years to 65 years got benefited of the program. It was conducted during 23rd to 27th September 2019. These are the glimpses of the free medical camp. And Punjabi Film Festival was also organized between 8th to 13th February. Next slide. Guru Shiksha. This is the 7th edition. Last year, Mr. Gahandeep Singh Bedi, IAS Principal Secretary to Agriculture Department of Government of Tamil Nadu, was the chief guest, and topic of the oratorial essay competition, writing competition, Guru Nanak Dev Ji's universal teachings and social reforms on gender equality. It was conducted on 14th and 15th of October 2019. 96 educational institutions and 625 students across Tamil Nadu.
நாலடியார் வெண்பா மாதிரி வெட்டு எழுதிட்டு இதில் தமிழில் ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட். தமிழில் ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்தோம். அடுத்து காலேஜ் போகும்போது போக மாட்டேன். ஏன்னா காலேஜில் இங்கிலீஷ் பேசுவாங்க. தி ஸ்பீக் இங்கிலீஷ். ஐ வாஸ் அஃப்ரைட் டு ஸ்பீக் இன் இங்கிலீஷ். ஐ வாஸ் அஃப்ரைட் டு லிசன் டு இங்கிலீஷ். ஏன்னா எங்களுக்கு சொல்லிக் கொடுத்த வார்த்தையாருக்கு இங்கிலீஷ் அவ்வளோ வரும். We are very happy with that. தமிழ் போதும். நாங்கள் பாட்டிட்டு சொன்னோம், நமக்கு கிராமத்தில் எல்லாமே இருக்குது. We have fields, we have servants, we have temple, everything is there. Why should I go? நமக்கு தான் நிலம் இருக்குது, அவருக்கு எதுக்கு போகணும்? பட் எங்கள் பாட்டி சொன்னது, பாட்டினா அப்பாவோட அம்மா, இல்லைப்பா இந்த இருக்கிற வயல் நிலம் காடு கனி எல்லாமே கடைசி வரைக்கும் நம்ம கூட வரும்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. எனக்காக இருக்கும், இல்லாமல் போகும். ஆனால் ஒரு மனுஷனுக்கு கடைசி வரைக்கும் இருக்கிறது அவன் படித்த படிப்பு கும்பிட்ற சாமியம் தாங்க. That means what he has studied, how much he has prayed, whatever has in his mind, and that should be with him. Padicha padipu kumbura sami nanda. That's how she motivated. I was the first generation graduate. I came across a lot of hurdles. Yes, it's not easy to become a chancellor. I tried. I was sharing my experience. More than about 8 years I was trying for this post, vice chancellor post. I was a registrar. But every time my name will be shortlisted, when I was eager to go, then they'll put some other restrictions. You should satisfy this. Can you satisfy this qualification? Because that is not at all qualification. No, we cannot give you like that. But I was hoping that one day, a higher official who will recognize my merit, who will recognize my honesty, and I will get. If at all, if I don't get, okay, that's all life. But it was recognized. On the day of August 20th, my merit and everything was recognized by a man who came as a man to this state, who was blessed with God. It's a figure of honesty, figure of charity, who is none but the Chancellor Banwarwaji. And because of him, I was selected. If he's not there, I told him, gee, if you had been here for 5 years ago or 10 years ago, I would have become a Chancellor. Because seeing my merit, I asked, he